Breaking news that's coming in right now in the cruise drug bust. Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, is being questioned in connection with the rave party on cruise by the Narcotics Control Bureau. He has not been booked or arrested yet. This confirmation comes from Sameer Wankhede, the zonal director of the Narcotics Control Bureau. So that's the latest piece of information that's coming in right now. Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, who was on board the cruise ship, which was in fact holding a drugs party yesterday, which was busted by the NCB, is currently being questioned by the NCB. Devesh Singh, my colleague, is joining me on the phone line from Mumbai on this. Devesh, give us more details about the questioning which is underway. Aryan Khan being questioned by the NCB.
Yes, follow me. We have just received confirmation from our sources in the Narcotics Control Bureau that Aryan Khan, who was detained by the NCB team on the cruise liner, is being questioned right now, while 8 others involved in the rave party, involved in organizing the rave party, and also were part of this rave party, have been placed under arrest. Aryan Khan, though, hasn't been placed under arrest, but he is being questioned right now. He is being examined right now by the Narcotics Control Bureau team at the Mumbai office of NCB. Following is once the questioning is over, or after that, NCB officials would decide whether action be initiated against Aryan Khan or not. But right now, we have this confirmation that Aryan Khan is being examined by the Narcotics Control Bureau team, and he is right now present at the Narcotics Control Bureau zonal office in Mumbai, located at Balad Pier. Various organizers of this particular rave party have been detained. Various organizers have been called in. Owner of the cruise liner has been called in. Some of the organizers of the event are foreign nationals, and they are also under scanner of NCB. They have been called in for examination by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So the crackdown of NCB is still on. 8 people arrested, Aryan Khan being questioned, while various others are still under scanner.
Right. Devesh, give us more details. What is the NCB trying to establish? Are they trying to establish whether Aryan Khan was in possession of drugs, whether he had consumed drugs? Will he have to undergo a medical test?
Follow me. As of now, the Narcotics Control Bureau is armed with portable drug kits. So if they want to conduct a test on a person, whether he or she has consumed narcotic drugs or not, they have these portable drug kits which are valid in the court of law. So they can use those kits to examine whether a person has consumed drugs or not. There's another question, other than consumption, there's another question of possession. So that becomes a bigger grave charge under the NDPS, under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. So if Aryan Khan, who was allegedly in possession of some narcotic drugs, it depends on what kind of amount was the drug, whether it was a commercial quantity or whether it was a non-commercial quantity. So that will define the sections being applied, if being applied against him. But as of now, we can just say that he is being examined. NCB officials haven't clarified on this, and they say they'll only clarify once his examination is over by afternoon, whether he'll be booked or not, and whether he'll be booked for consumption or possession, or even if he was part or he was in connection with the organizers of this particular rave party. But as of now, we can just say that Aryan Khan is being examined by Narcotics Control Bureau officials. A senior superintendent level officer is examining Aryan Khan, while the whole operation was supervised by NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede.
Right. Devesh, any sort of details that are coming through from that examination, which has been underway for a number of hours now, as far as Aryan Khan is concerned? How did he, for instance, come to be on that cruise ship? Was he one of those who just purchased a ticket and landed over there? Or was he invited? How did he and the other celebrities get on that cruise liner?
Follow me. This is the first cruise liner which has begun its operation since the lockdown last year. Remember, since March last year, all the cruise liners operating in India and nearby areas had shut operations. So Cornelia Cruise Liner is one of the first cruise liners to begin the Mumbai-Goa cruise. and it began operations since mid-August. There was a high demand for all the parties and events that were being organized on Cornelia, and as we see, there is a huge rise in number of people who were interested in joining this cruise, because last evening, as we reported, that there were a high number of people who were trying to get on board this cruise liner, but the cruise liner was overbooked as compared to the number of tickets that were being sold were much more than the occupancy that was there on the cruise liner. Everyone, including a lot of celebrities, wanted to attend these parties, which included some foreign nationals, foreign nationals who were disc jockeys who were going to organize some events that were going to happen on board this cruise liner, and that is why we could see that several celebrities, including Arid Khan, had been in attendance on this cruise liner.
Right.
Now, this was the suspicion because NCB, according to senior officials whom we had spoken to, they received a tip-off day before yesterday that a rave party is being organized. Following which, NCB officials in plain clothes disguised themselves as passengers and entered on board this cruise liner with the help of CISF officials. Once the party started, that is what we've learned, NCB officials started their crackdown, and the raids continued till late hours on Saturday evening.
Right. Devesh Singh there, bringing us up to speed with all of those developments. Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, is being questioned in connection with the drugs bust case conducted by the Narcotics